Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage contracts with LegalZoom, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the LegalZoom website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your LegalZoom account. Navigate to the contracts section from the home page. Review the different types of contracts available. Select the type of contract you need to manage. Click on Create a Contract to start the process. Fill in the required information in the provided fields. Make sure to review LegalZoom's templates for guidance. Add any specific clauses or adjustments needed for your contract. Once complete, click Preview to review your contract. Check for accuracy and clarity in all details. After confirming all information is correct, click Save. You can now choose to print, email, or download your contract. To manage existing contracts, go back to the Contracts section. Locate the contract you wish to edit or view. Select it to access options for editing or updating. Follow prompts to make any necessary changes. Save any updates or changes made to your contract. For additional assistance, visit the support section of LegalZoom. Utilize their resources for FAQs or customer support if needed. Ensure you keep a record of all your contracts in a secure location. Repeat this process for any other contracts you need to manage. This streamlines your contract management and ensures compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.